This is my blue tail lobster. And he's made himself a home underneath the rock. So he hardly comes out, and it's very hard to get a picture of him. Here's my bubble goldfish. I bought a lot of cheap goldfish to throw in here, a lot of small ones. So by two main fish, that guy, the goldfish, and my blue-tailed. I put an order in for the freshwater sea turtle with the little nose on it, almost like a bottlenose. But the Lord blessed me. Originally I got this, but I'm gonna I've ordered a basket that hooks inside on the side, and that's where Marey's fish is gonna go. OB. It's kind of dark in here. I'll have to turn on the light real quick. Boom! Since I took the plant out, because I originally put OB in there, but OB was gonna fight people, so I had to put him back in here. But he'll eventually get to go back into the one that's warmer weather. But this LED light just really lights everything up. See if this will focus on. And everything is so clear. I also have a rockfish in there somewhere. But ever since I put the lobster in, he's been kind of hiding behind the rock there. He doesn't come out that much. So him and the blue-tailed lobster made friends really quick. But this is just a starter. I'll probably fix it up a little bit more and make it look a lot nicer, but I just wanted to get it done and set up, and when I sit down and start the fire and do my Bible reading and everything, and I get to look over in the evenings when it gets dark, and I get to see an aquarium. So just wanted to show everybody. Hope everybody's doing great. Praying for everybody, both saved and lost. Guys, be safe.